To your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center. Sunny and pretty nice, although I will say I went for a walk along the coast today, Tony. Real windy.
Yeah, in fact, I was actually at Oakland Beach in Warwick with Pete Mangione working on a story, and the wind coming in off the bay, it was a little cool, a little brisk, but the inland spots away from any ocean influence, it's actually pretty mild. It's in the lower 70s. We're looking at Newport and Newport Harbor. It is breezy, bright, but on the cool side, that sea breeze really making a big difference. Take a look outside in Providence where the temperature is milder. It's in the lower 70s. Dry air, low humidity, very comfortably. Earn a living working outdoors. You're loving this stuff. It's not too hot or humid. We do bring that back, though, for tomorrow. I wouldn't call tomorrow hot in terms of way up into the 90s, but we should get up into the lower to middle 80s. Low 70s right now inland, and you can clearly see the influence of the sea breeze, 10 degrees cooler in places like Newport and in Westerly. So a nice evening overall, not quite as cool as last night. That summer feel returns for both Wednesday and Thursday, and with that, we'll have to watch by either late day or early evening for a scattered thunderstorm. And then all eyes on Memorial Day weekend, which is trending a lot cooler, especially Saturday and Sunday, and actually starting off damp, at least on Saturday. I'll show you that in the 7-day. Quiet across New England. Here's the wider view. Cold front out across the northern plains. Out ahead of it, a southerly wind really warming things up. This is where the heat, or at least the very warm temperatures, are located. The areas in dark red are in the 80s, and some of that warmth is headed our way for both tomorrow afternoon and into Thursday as well. All right, the Severe Storms Prediction Center has western New England, the areas in yellow under, you see the category here, light green, darker green, and yellow. So in the light yellow, western Connecticut, western Mass, of a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. Notice in our area, it's a different shade of green. It's a marginal risk north and west of Providence. And then the rest of our area in this very light green indicating non-severe thunderstorm. So bottom line, we have to keep an eye to the sky north and west of Providence by late day and early evening, sometime after 5 o'clock. Now, all areas towards tomorrow evening have the chance of a shower or a thunderstorm, but the risk of something strong to borderline severe would be well to our north and west. So we'll watch the situation closely. In fact, let's step you through it hour by hour, starting off this evening and overnight, which is fairly quiet. Mild, not as cool as last night. Here we are, 6 in the morning. We started this morning off in the 40s. We start off tomorrow morning in the low 60s, so a much warmer afternoon. Notice inland areas are in the 80s. The coastline is in the 70s. This is 2 o'clock. We're still dry. But notice by late day and early evening, this is around 5 o'clock, especially in our northern suburbs, a passing shower or thunderstorm. And watch what happens around 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, a line of storms north and west of Providence. Downpours, some of these may be on the strong side, indicated by the areas in red, and they'll tend to weaken as they approach the coastline. And even by later tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, still a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm. So if you're a Wednesday morning, it's fairly quiet, mix of clouds and hazy sun. By noontime, it's in the lower to middle 80s. And then during the late afternoon and early evening, we'll keep that eye to the sky for the passing shower or a thunderstorm. Warm, dry, less humid, real nice on Thursday. We're going to bring in some showers on Friday. I'm thinking this is more of a Friday evening, Friday night. Oh, it does spill over into the first half of Saturday. Look at the temperature on Saturday. Ouch, that's pretty cool, 62. Unfortunately, Sunday is a cool day, mostly cloudy but dry, 65. Memorial Day Monday right now looks like the brighter and milder day.
All right, we've got some of the weekend to enjoy.
Exactly.
All right, Tony, sounds good. Thanks, Mike.